Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. In today's video, I am going to show you how to display automatic sequence of numbers on your simple calculator. So guys, for example, I press this auto review button and you see the numbers start to appearing automatically in a sequence on your calculator screen. Okay, so you can see. Guys, the purpose for this auto review button basically is to review your calculation. So that's why when I do this trick, it start appearing like the sequence in your calculator because I do my calculation in the same sequence. Okay, so guys, in the next trick I will use the same auto review button, but the numbers will go in the backward direction. So you can see numbers are moving in backward sequence like this. So how to perform this trick on your simple calculator? So first of all, press this AC on button. Okay, and now press the numbers till 9. Okay, so 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, and then press the plus button. Okay, and then again 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So now I am removing one number one by one. So now I will do it till 8 and then I press plus. Then I do 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and then I press plus. Then 1 2 3 4 5 6 plus 1 2 3 4 5 plus 1 2 3 4 plus 1 2 3 plus 1 2 plus 1 plus. Okay, and now press the AC button, and now if I press this auto review button, the numbers start going in the backward direction in this sequence. So this is a very cool trick. You can also use this trick. The next trick is about playing countdown on your calculator. So now I press this auto review button and the countdown starts on my calculator and it is moving forward automatically. So how you can do the same function on your calculator? So first of all, you have to press this AC on button. Okay, and now you have to press the numbers in the sequence form. For example, 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6 plus 7 plus 8 plus 9 plus 10 plus 11 plus 12 plus 13 plus 14 plus 15 plus 16 plus. Now just press the AC on button and now press the auto review button and it start counting itself. It start make a countdown on your calculator till 16, because I do this operation till 16, so it will finish at 16. So you can see, so now it is finished at 16 because I perform this function till 16. You can make it ahead, you can make it 17, 18, so it's up to you. So this is how you can use this trick as well on your calculator. So guys, the basic function is related to auto review button, so you can review your calculation, but you can use this button to perform different tricks on your calculator. So guys, this is for today's video. I hope you like the video, I hope you enjoy the video. So please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.